Camouflage by DITTMANN, Special Treatment version 3. This is for a square diamond painting with all square pearls on the special treatment. So for version 1, we've got lemon pearls, square lemon pearls that we have sprinkled on the yellow areas. This would be mainly on her ear, as well as a bit on her forehead and some on her eyelids as well. And then for version 2, we've got violet pearls sprinkled on all of the purple areas. So these are the violet pearls over here. Just match your special beads with the color in the canvas. And finally, for version 3, we've got lime pearls that we have sprinkled on all of the green areas in the picture. Once again, for DITTMANN's Camouflage in squares, special treatment, we've got lemon pearls, violet pearls, and lime pearls. If you would like this same version for a round diamond painting, it would have a similar effect, except the beads will be in rounds instead of squares.